Hello, my name is Rodrigo Moreno from Security Sales, and with my colleagues Felipe Herrera and David Núñez from Pre-Sales, we are going to present the Secure Cloud Desktop solution. This is the stack of our Secure Cloud Desktop, a modular and integrated solution, but today I'm not going to describe one by one the components of the stack. It should be emphasized that we provide desktop as a service complete solution, providing an easy and automatized management and above all, customizing the desktop depending on the user context and with single sign-on to application. I want to make focus on two unique competitive advantages from our solution. The first one is that Oracle provides a whole stack and a single point of support. I would like to point out that once you have a Secure Cloud Desktop solution, you won't need a specific desktop operating system or backend virtualization solution. And for this reason, why pay for it if it is included at our solution? But the main advantage of our solution, it doesn't appear as a modulo at this stack. I make you a question: how will link PCs, laptops, smartphones, iPads with your backend application or with the different virtualization solution independent from the vendor? But this is not so simple. How we know what desktop session a user needs depending on their role or profile, job position, localization, time, application needed, etc. Secure Cloud Desktop provides a unique console that allows you a dynamic desktop session provisioning, depending on the user context. It will create and manage the user session with single sign-on from any virtualization platform, and it will be displayed at any device adapted to the user. This is what we are going to show at our demo story. How is managed the user desktop environment depending on the employee life cycle at his company. A fictitious employee named Pedro Herrera is hired because his technical knowledge. All the technical guys will work with a desktop based on Ubuntu operating system. As the years go by, Pedro Herrera is promoted to sales department, and this department, the desktop is based on Microsoft and Ansible as forecast tool. And finally, Pedro will take an early retirement to begin a new career. To start this demo, we are logging on the Secure Cloud Desktop console, one single console for managing the cloud desktop environment. First screen shows information about the desktop usage status. In the console, we navigate to user context management. A new employee, Pedro Herrera, is hired, and we are going to provisioning his identity at all the environments or company application. At this step, we will define his desktop session and all the applications he needs. This will be an automatic process that we will show manually step by step. Pedro Herrera is created at our system, but he hasn't any specific role. We are going to verify that Pedro hasn't access to any desktop session. After this check, we are going to assign Pedro Herrera to different profile desktop, depending on his role or could be his temporary context. Pedro access to his technical desktop based on Ubuntu. Pedro could access from any device. Now, Pedro has been promoted to a new profile. We are going to revoke his old privilege The new role involves a Windows desktop. With this new role, he could choose several Windows versions, or even access to his old Linux desktop. The solution includes a single sign-on feature. It provides user fast access to system and application. It eliminates the need for users to remember and manage passwords for virtually any application. Pedro reached the retirement. He's going to be unsubscribed from any role. Pedro hasn't access to any desktop session. Here ends our demo. Summarizing, Secure Cloud Desktop provides a unique console that allows you a dynamic desktop session provisioning, depending on the user profile. We will create and manage the user session from any virtualization platform. It will be displayed at any device and adapted to any user context.